Morning guys, Caleb Sketches here. I'm back at the Dayton boat dock and I'm waiting for acts of kindness again. Me and Mr. Jon Cruver are going to go crappie fishing and see what else we can end up catching. But should be another great time on the water, and I just thank y'all so much for subscribing to the channel. The channel is growing greatly. I think just last week alone we gained like 13 subscribers, so thank y'all so much. We're on that road to 300 subscribers, and that's when I'll be doing my giveaway. So if that subscribe button's red, make sure it's gray so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. And without further ado, let's get to this trip. There you go. It took a little bit.
Give him that little bit of time. That's a bluegill.
Wow.
That's what's been taking them off.
That's a big bluegill.
Yep, that's going that way. Yeah, I'm going that way. Got him?
Yep, I got him. Wow. That's a dinner plate bluegill. I'm gonna cast right here by the dock, see what happens.
I brought Papa Garland with me too. Those are his toes as well. But I knew, you know, she'd do it.
Oh. Oh.
Well, that's close.
He's not a keeper though.
But you've got the...
Yeah, he's a small one. Yeah, there's crappie number 1 for me. I don't think he's 10. Nope, 9. Ouch. Bit the full out of me.
Well, you always grab this thing. Okay. Grab this around your wrist.
Mm-hmm.
And drop it.
Okay.
Make sure you hold on to my...
There he
See?
Yep.
That's crappie. Here.
Under. There we go.
That's a crappie. Yeah, you found the
They're under the dock over here.
Yep. That's what I'm doing right now. Switch that up. That might be something right here. Mark it up.
That's probably a keeper.
Oh, there's the checker.
Crappie number 2, guys.
Oh, most definitely. Now you got one to put in the bucket.
Yep.
Put them in one side of the live, the other side of the live one. Those will be yours.
Okay.
Until we get, you know, that way you've got enough water.
Yes, sir.
Or are they just?
I used what you told me. Look for bubbles. Bunch of bubbling happened, and then right against that pole over there.
Yeah.
Man, I wasn't in the water for 10 seconds.
Yep.
Yep.
There he is.
Come on, take it. Take it.
Go out behind you, get another one. Remember, once you get him to a point, you have that thing. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Oh, gosh.
Come on. Oh, come on. That's a big old slab. Don't ever take them out of the water.
No?
You're straining those mouths.
Okay.
Leave them in that water until you get...
And as long as you're holding up, he's not getting off.
Yep.
Okay.
You don't want to take them out, because if you take them out, then...
But he's not flopping.
So you found the school that we've been looking for. Go
Oh yeah. He's another 11 and a half. Easy.
Yep. And I'm getting the bigger, smaller ones. So what's the difference in the depth?
We'll compare. I wonder if they're that specific to where they're right up against it.
Yeah, that's what I think you're right up in that corner right there. Right there. That's exactly where I think they are.
Oh.
I'm going to go over top of you.
Sounds good. Oh, got one.
Get him. Take him in. Bring him up. Come on. There you go.
I don't think he's a...
Yeah, I believe he is.
He's close.
I believe he is.
We found him.
We gotta get 6 of them here, remember?
Yep.
So this makes my place so much better.
Where's our checker at? I can just put him up against here. Oh, would you count that?
Yeah, he's 10.
He's exactly. He's missing part of
Put
his.
him in that. That's what they check them with.
Okay.
That's what you check them with. Oh yeah, put
Yeah.
it in.
Cool.
There he is. Oh, don't break my rod.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
I don't need brick. Look how thick that sucker is.
He almost looks like a
He's
bass.
got some meat on him.
So-
Yeah, that's what they're at.
Oh. Oh, that was a hit. Come on, take it. That was a light little tap.
And he was almost good. Now.
Yep. Oh, and got him.
He ain't gonna keep.
Oh.
Here.
What's that noise? Oh.
Look in the back of the boat there. On the dock.
Oh yeah, he's definitely not going to keep. I couldn't tell how big he looked. That's crappie number 5 for me.
All right, eat your frog. Alone.
Explain, buddy.
See?
Got something.
What are you doing?
Yep.
Go slow. That's nice bass. Stay.
Okay.
Stay.
I'm sorry.
Keep it in water. Bring it along. There you go. That's a spotted bass. That's a keeper.
There you go. All right. Nice spot. He's got some sharp mouth. Oh yeah, he's 13. Yeah, there y'all go. 13-inch spotted bass. Yeah, he's got a spot on his tongue.
Do you mind giving us a hand trying to get this jig out of his mouth, fish's mouth?
Oh no, I don't mind.
Need my pliers. Or...
I'll get it. Yes, sir, it won't be a fit.
Okay.
Rope.
Boys, that ain't good.
Yeah, I'm catching crappies.
He's eating it. He's literally trying to eat it.
Another big old. Oh, that's a shell cracker, isn't it?
Big bluegill.
I'll put him in the live well. Come on. Another big. Big old bluegill.
Yeah.
You want him?
Yeah.
Okay. No comment, buddy. These bluegill are big. Okay. About a 6.5 inch bluegill. That was a hit. Come on, take it.
Running it. Come on. Come on. Good one. Get him up there. Come on. Get him up there. There's the keeper.
Oh yeah. He's 10.5 easy. All right, buddy. To the live well you go.
Yeah,
I have something that's playing with it. Come on.
there you go.
He's nothing big.
Go fast.
Yeah. Not too bad. It's bigger than my last ones.
Yeah.
Oh goodness. It's kind of thin. Yeah, this looks like we got us a little. Is that a spot?
It wouldn't matter. It's about 12 inches.
Yeah. So we got a little bass here. It was tangled. I was like, how can it work perfectly for 20 minutes straight and then not work at all? Made no sense to me. Now I know. Watch now, the slip's gonna do its job. Thump. Oh, that's a bite. Try to get something to bite before we take off again. Oh, that's a bite. Yeah, there's something there. It's just a light little peck, but it's there. Probably a bluegill. Heck, I don't know. Depends on what happens next. Take it. Come on. Yep, that's a hit. So, gosh, that's a good thing. I got something. Oh gosh, that's a good crappie. Phew. I think we got another keeper. Every time I think I'm done, I find another one. Gosh, don't break off my hook this time, please. See if we got another keeper. What we got here? Look at that, guys. 10.5 inches. Thank you, buddy. Put you in the crappie measure just to verify. No, I just used a ruler. Buddy, you're not cooperating. Oh yeah. Yeah, he is all the way. He's at 10.5. Cool.